It sounds crazy, but it's real. A stick of butter, coated in batter, deep fried, and eaten in just a few bites. So what happens inside your body? The moment you eat it, your mouth starts breaking it down. The batter is easy, but the butter is the real challenge. Butter is almost pure fat. That means your body has to work much harder than normal to digest it. Once it reaches your stomach, powerful acids and enzymes get to work. But fat doesn't break down quickly, so the food stays in your stomach longer than usual. That's why you may feel very full or heavy. Next, it moves into your small intestine. Here, your gallbladder releases bile to break fat into smaller droplets. Your pancreas also releases enzymes to digest it further. Now your body is working in full digestion mode. The fat is then absorbed into your bloodstream and transported throughout your body as energy. But here's the key point: deep-fried butter is extremely high in calories. Your body will use some energy immediately, but any extra is stored as fat for later use. That's why eating foods like this often can lead to weight gain over time. After eating it, you might feel very full, even sluggish or tired. That's because your body is spending a lot of energy just trying to process the fat. Now here's something important. One serving won't instantly harm you. Your body can handle it occasionally. But if you eat foods like this regularly, it can increase your risk of high cholesterol, weight gain, and heart problems over time. So what's the final answer? Deep-fried butter is not dangerous in one bite, but it is extremely heavy on your body. And that's exactly what happens after eating deep-fried butter.